How to zoom a video in Canva. So hello guys, now in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily zoom a particular video in Canva. So first thing first, just head over to canva.com from any of your browser, and once you're inside here, make sure you're currently logged into your account, and you can just open any of the recent videos project if you have one. If you don't have one, you can just head over to this plus icon, that is create button over here, and just choose in the option that is videos, and you can just choose in the resolution of your video, which is a landscape, which might be mobile video or any other types of video. So just select it and just import any of the videos from your upload section to that particular bar. And once inside here, now to zoom a video on Canva, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just highlight or select the borders of the particular video, and you can just drag and drop and just readjust the position of your video wherever you want to focused or zoom on to be. It's like this. And once you're satisfied, finally click on share to successfully save the video. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.